Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make video using Canva. First, open Canva and select video to begin a new project. You'll find many templates to jumpstart your creativity, from social media clips to longer presentations. Familiarize yourself with the intuitive interface, where you can drag and drop elements, trim footage, and add music. It's designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners, making video editing accessible to everyone. Once your project is set up, it's time to add content. You can upload your own videos and images, or browse Canva's extensive stock library for professional assets. Easily customize text overlays, add engaging graphics, and select the perfect background music to set the mood. Mastering basic editing functions like trimming, splitting, and duplicating clips will help you refine your video's flow and pacing effectively. To make your video truly stand out, explore Canva's enhancement features. Smooth transitions between scenes can create a professional look, guiding your viewer's eye seamlessly. Add dynamic animation effects to text and elements to capture attention and convey your message more powerfully. Don't forget to adjust video speed for dramatic effect and fine-tune audio levels to ensure clear sound throughout your entire production. Before exporting, always preview your entire video to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. This is your chance to catch any small errors or make final adjustments. When you're satisfied, select your preferred video quality and format for download, such as MP4. Canva makes it simple to get your finished product ready for sharing across various platforms. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.